Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back today with another hair video. I will be sharing some of the products that I use to maintain my hair and keep it in its healthy state. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Andy Misberry. So let's get into it. So I want to start off this video by sharing that I'm a person that likes to get hair treatments at the salon. I do like to go in for treatments at least every month because also the treatments help me to be able to stretch the periods between relaxing my hair. So in the interim, while my hair is not getting a relaxer, I do like to go in for treatments. So that definitely helps to grow my hair. I definitely feel a difference. When I don't go for treatments, my hair feels brittle, my hair feels dry, my hair starts breaking, you know, it snaps. It makes that crackling sound whenever I comb through it, and your hair definitely will break. So I highly recommend getting treatments every month. So to get right into the products, I will start with products that I use for my scalp, which I use this hair food. It's called Unique Hair and Scalp Comforter. By the way, most of these products you'll be able to get them from either Clicks or Discam. This hair food, however, I buy from my hairdresser. I don't know if it's available at, you know, normal outlets like Discam and Clicks and Pick and Pay and wherever, but I do get this from my hairdresser. It's a very textured hair food. It sort of has like bits of stuff inside. You can see that it's literally filled with nutrients. It has a very strong menthol smell, and you can feel it in your hair as well. So I think they probably have peppermint as one of the ingredients in this hair food, because I can definitely feel my scalp tingling every time I use it. So I use this because it's all natural, it has no side effects, it treats dandruff, it treats bald hair, it treats ringworms, and it improves receding hairline. So this is sort of like, I think, the equivalent of that, what was it called, T444Z, I think, because it even has like almost the same texture, but the T444Z is more of a yellow color and this is more of an orange color, but the smell is exactly the same. So this is definitely what I use as my hair food. And the products that I use to moisturize my hair, I'm not a huge fan of oil moisturizer, I must say. I must put that out there. I just find that it leaves your hair feeling greasy unnecessarily. I'm more of a fan of hair food, and then maybe a bit of a leave-in conditioner for the ends of the hair, so that, you know, the ends don't break off, because we all know that the ends are the most fragile part of your hair. But I do have this olive oil ORS oil moisturizer. I'll be honest, I don't really use it that much, but if you are the type of person that does believe in oil moisturizer and you feel like your hair kind of needs that, then I highly recommend this one, because it definitely is a good one. When I do use it in my hair, I do like the results that I get. So in terms of a leave-in conditioner, I love this leave-in conditioning repair cream by Castor. I've been using this for a very long time. I don't use it a lot though, because it does have a tendency of leaving the hair a bit on the wet side, but it does dry up over time. But you know, I don't like the wet cat look, you know. I'm not really into that, but you know, it really is good for dry hair whenever your hair feels dry, especially if you've got new growth and you're not at a stage where you can relax your hair yet, when you're still stretching out the relaxer. I strongly recommend that you invest in a leave-in conditioner like this one. So when it comes to styling my hair, I do like to lay my edges all the time when I'm wearing out my natural hair. Even if I've got braids and stuff, I do like to lay my edges. And the one that I use is the Eco Style Styling Gel. This is the argan oil version of it. I know there's, you know, people feel this way and that way about this product. I think it's very good. You know, it really does the job really well. I obviously don't like the after effect because it does have a tendency of leaving your hair a bit flaky. It leaves your edges with that, you know, that crusty flakiness, and I really don't like that. But the thing is, it really does do the job. So for now, I will stick to using the Eco Gel. Don't ever put heat on your hair without using a heat protectant. The one that I have is this argan oil heat defense leave-in spray, and it has Moroccan argan oil extract in it. This is the one that I use. I bought this at Discam. We're sort of the last third of the bottle. I've been using this for a very long time. Before I blow dry my hair, before I use a straightener on my hair, I make sure that I spray my whole head with this to protect my hair from heat damage. The last two products that I want to talk about are products that I feel are very important for edges. Starting off with this Jamaican black castor oil. I get this one from Discam. The thing about Jamaican black castor oil is that it's a very heavy, dark oil. You know, it does weigh down your hair a bit. So it's not an oil that you can use on a daily basis, but it is very good for your hairline. If you're trying to restore your hairline, or if you can start to see that your hairline is starting to get damaged, this is definitely an oil that I recommend that you try. There's also a new oil that I've just started using. It's called Volumicious. I don't know if you can get it in other places. I'm wondering if they have an Instagram page or something, but I get this from my salon. I just started using this. It is so amazing. This is a hair and scalp oil. You can even use it as a hot oil treatment if you want to, but I sort of just use it, well, not every day, but sort of every other day on my hairline. My hairdresser recommended this to me because my hairline was starting to get a bit thin because of all the braiding and the plaits and the protective styles that I've been doing. So she recommended that I start using this hair and scalp oil, and so far I definitely like it. I will continue to use it though until the bottle is finished to see if there is a massive difference with my hairline, but so far I'm really happy with this oil. What I like about this oil especially is the fact that it has a nozzle, so you can sort of just, you know, put it through your scalp. You know, literally you don't have to do anything except just, you know, press it and run it through like your whole scalp, and you're done. Massage it into your scalp and you're good to go. So the application makes it that much easier, and I really do love that. Last but not least, let us talk about some combs. I really strongly suggest that people with you know, natural black hair stay away from those teeny weeny little combs because those are not really good for your hair. The wider toothed the comb is, the better. So the two combs that I use often are this wide toothed comb. I forgot where I got it from. Probably Discam. I get most of my stuff from Discam. So I love this comb. It's a wide tooth comb. It sort of just, you know, glides through the hair. It doesn't, you see, none of my hair came out with the comb. Whereas if you use that small tail comb, when you comb it through your hair, you will definitely come back with some hair strands. So if you have a tail comb, only use that to open the parts in your hair. Just use that only for parting. But when you want to comb out your hair, I highly recommend a wide tooth comb. And then of course, I still feel like an Afro comb is every black person's hair's best friend. I still believe in the Afro comb. I love how it, you know, goes through my hair. I do get less breakage when I use these two combs, but I know that when I use anything that is thinner than this, it will definitely make my hair break. So anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I do hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.